Okay, hello everyone. This is Zach here. Just want to do a quick sound check. Okay, do let me know if my sound's coming okay. If yes, we're going to start our section shortly. Okay, so if you are here, please let me know. Okay, by typing a one for me. Okay, just to ensure my sound and screen is okay, right? So okay, now today definitely the one that caught our attention is SciPark. Okay, because of the news, I believe. Okay, lots of people share with me about the news. No wonder this stock has been going up for some times. All right, but unfortunately, I think they are hitting the so-called main resistance currently. Okay, if you notice over here, yeah, previously also we got one, okay, two, and now seems like in this range, in this zone. Okay, so yeah, somewhere around here. This is the zone of the main resistance that probably you need to look into. Okay, if you are looking into separate right now. Okay, so probably just want to do a quick check on this before we go to other stocks. But over term, trend wise, I think they still got plenty of opportunity. But of course, today because of the good news, I believe that there will be some profit takings. Okay, going on. But few things to look into. First of all, because of the gap up today, right? So if let's say today closing, and gap is still there, I think still got opportunity to look into it. Okay, so over here, right? So this is what it means, this gap area. Okay, let's say they close and remains gap. I think yes, we still can look into it. The next thing is that these few days when they trade in this area here, the gap must support well. So this again telling me that there's still got someone are interested and willing to push above. Hey, hello Wong. As always, thank you for your support. So for those that who are here, yeah, make sure you help me to click the like buttons for me. If you like my section here, help me to share this out. All right. So now let's go to weekly chart. Okay, like I said, lots of people talk about SciPark, but SciPark previously the highest is around 1.8. Okay, currently it's around 1 ringgit. So we still got around 80% to go before hits the top of the all-time high. But is it possible or not to hit? I think based on chart, Oh, Powerwell yesterday also got gap up, man. I will take a look into Powerwell because, like I said, I didn't really follow Powerwell, but yeah, success. I think both of them is related, so I go for success. I haven't checked success today also, so I'll look into Powerwell later on. Now, let's go back to SciPark lah. Like I said, I'm looking into the long-term trend. Okay, now long-term trend wise, if you ask me, I think this offer a very good potential. Okay, to make a nice trend reversal patterns. Okay, because why? Now here is a big drop. Okay, but if you notice, right, these two areas here actually come with a very big volume. Okay, here we got one round of big volume. Okay, here we go one round of big volume, second round of big volume, and this after this big volume, right, they actually tested about around the 20 and 40-day moving average. Okay, the 40 MA this area here, and this is again telling me that yeah, there is a support coming into this area. So of course, main resistance, like I say, around this area over here, right? So here will be our so-called like a resistance area. So maybe I'm not sure you hit here, pull back against, try the 2040 MA again before they break, okay, to the next resistance level. All right, so that is looking into the long-term view. So I think, yeah, the trend so far still good, okay, for those that who are looking for long-term for SciPark. Okay, of course, today come with news, so let's see how it react. Okay, hopefully it hold well above the above the gaps. Okay, now I will go into some of the stocks. Okay, because today probably we look into some shakeout. Actually, for SciPark also got shakeout. If I look into daily chart over here. Okay, so this is like a gap with support, right? Okay, or if let's say I look into this area over here, this is like a shakeout as well. Okay, maybe this zone. So this one I remove so you can see better. Okay, the reasons why all this while I rarely look into SciPark here, right? Shakeout. Okay, here pushing it back, retest goes up. Okay, so yeah, today this is the main resistance to cross. Okay, so the reasons why all this while I think SciPark we trade previously. I cannot recall. I think somewhere around here. Okay, is it? I'm not sure whether the time I joined Sifu already or not. Somewhere last year, if not mistaken, before I joined Sifu, I think somewhere around here. So, this area I think joined Sifu already. Okay, so yeah, the reasons why I rarely follow side part all this one because lots of people talk about it. So sometimes lots of people talk about it. I tend to be more careful because lots of people probably know some potential news coming out. Sometimes it's quite easy to do like this kind of pump and dump. Like today, get up, good news. If let's say you chase, it sells. Oh yeah, I think we trade together if not mistaken. Yeah, I think somewhere around here, right, Wong? Because I joined Seafood is around I think August, so I think we look into the setup around end of August or September timeframe. Okay, let's see. Okay, any others besides Side Park? Okay, let's say I go into my shakeout first. I just want to share with you shakeout in Side Park as well. So SALCON, okay, these other stocks that are I think having some sort of like a shakeout happening. All right, let's see whether today got low volume or not. Okay, so if you want to look into this, is probably the zone. Okay, so we got previously here, push back up, support, shakeout. Okay, support, retest. Okay, so yep, right now it's very close with the so-called current resistance. Okay, of course the main one will be somewhere around here. Right. So today, if let's say remains to be low volume, I think it's fine. Water team again, so probably because I think PBA yesterday also got some movement. Right. So SALCON also getting better the setup. Okay, let's look into weekly chart. Okay, yeah, weekly chart also here's showing a nice shakeout. Actually, I forgot to follow the water team again because I thought sometimes this kind of water team, right, sometimes only one time only. But looks like they are willing to come back. Okay, so that's why I'm not sure. So far, I think RANHILL is the one that are still very close with the support. Okay, next one I will go into RANHILL. Okay, so far this is the one that I feel that is still up also. Okay, today up a bit 3%. I haven't queued yet I thought maybe queue around 107, 106. But now it's 114 already. Okay, maybe after this live section, I see how it goes. So here, shakeout, okay, reaccumulation. Okay, so here we got some down bar high volume. So like I say, this type of down bar high volume, shooting stars, false breakout. Sometimes you will cause some shakeout. So like this is what happened in RANHILL as well. Okay, so overall I think is healthy. Okay, overall is healthy. So but probably need sometimes I think some of the construction stock also doing shakeout because now construction is a bit lembek already. Okay, no much people look into it. So probably want to watch out. Okay, any stocks that's doing shakeout in this area here. So if I can recall correctly, let's try Gadang. Okay, if I can recall. This is daily chart, right? Okay, no Gadang. EBG AQRS. Okay, AQRS. Okay, AQRS. Oh, yes, they dropped increasing volume lah. So this one looks like the shakeout yet to. They are doing another round of shakeout. Okay, because like I said, currently this team, not that popular anymore. Okay, so probably they will use this opportunity to do shakeout. Okay, so sometimes it's good to come back to look for those counters that or maybe those sectors that is not that popular anymore. Okay, so you see whether got shakeout or not. So maybe I'm not sure. The next time when they break higher volume coming in, this is the one that probably you want to watch out. But this one currently still no setup yet we gonna have to wait and see. Okay, KIALIM. Okay, KIALIM is the one that actually I spotted today. It do have a gap up, something like success setup that I like power as well previously. Okay, but this one going up for some time already. Okay, but I think they likely did have a continuation. Okay, so gap here very nice. Okay, of course the closest support, the nearest support here is the shakeout patterns. Okay, here's the shakeout patterns. Okay, so KIALIMs. Okay, trend is still good, going up nicely. Oh yeah, HATA as well. Let me talk about HATA also. Okay, HATA. Okay, I think just now Wong asked me about DUFU, right? Okay, I look into YTR ENO as well. Okay, DUFU also so I think the view everything is still the same for DUFU. Okay, suitable for those that who are looking for long term. Actually, for long term right now, of course, my main priority I still want P metal, but I still haven't get the price that I wanted. The next is Dufu. Dufu, quite easy to read lah. High volume, shakeout, high volume coming back, pushing back, shakeout completed. This is the main resistance they need to cross, okay, which is the accumulation part. Okay, so once cross, I think they will see a nice trend. Okay, hopefully they will run like Tenaga. Okay, let's see next week if I still can get my P metal, probably should do full or maybe discounted. Okay, A-Tech. A-Tech, I think I do talk about it for several times already. Okay, so looks like today are ready to break. Okay, weekly chart very nice also. This one is a nice reaccumulation patterns. So yeah, this is for those that who are looking for a bit long term, a bit long term one. Okay, today let's see can cross this R1 or not. Okay, testing for few times already. One, this one I was considered yes, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. Okay, so if let's say today you can cross with higher volume, okay, I think it's a good sign. All right, so yeah, do full having shakeout. Okay, the other one, this one also I long time didn't come back to look into it already. Adaran. Okay, Adaran. So after that, I think we cut loss. Yeah, if not mistaken, it's Rojas or Adaran. Oh yeah, Rojas. Let's check by Rojas. I think both the stock is very similar. Okay, so Adaran yesterday come with some high volume. Today no transaction at all. So illiquid one, Adaran. Okay, now Adaran, for me, they're also having a shakeout in this zone. Okay, same lah, like those success, KIALIM, they got a gap up, okay, and they are holding well above the gap up. One of the things I like it. Okay, and now they are doing shakeout. But shakeout haven't complete. Okay, yesterday because when I see it up a little bit already, but closing not so good. Okay, so yeah, park your alert somewhere around here. Okay, once it completed with higher volume, yes, we're gonna come back and look into it. Rojas, let's check Rojas. Anything interesting? Rojas also, after I accelerated, then come back look into it. Yeah, no much setup. Okay, I think Adaran currently is slightly better. Okay, last one for my shakeout stocks. Okay, if I can record any, I will share later on, or if you got any, you can share me as well. So okay, now Harta Lega. Okay, Harta Lega. Okay, I think it's the kind of similar like what happens to Dufu everything as well. If you look into long-term trend, I think they're already in accumulation. So for those that who are interested in glove, okay, I'm not sure any because currently I got only 11 people over here. I'm not sure about my YouTube's there. Now, if anyone here still hold glove, okay, Top Glove, Hata or Supermax Gosan, can you type A for me? Okay, anyone here still holding glove? Okay, but I hope you are not holding since this area here lah. Okay, because here, wow, it will be a massive drop losses. Okay, it will be a massive losses. Okay, so okay, if let's say even here also very bad drop until now. Okay, anyone here still holding glove since the bull day? Okay, whenever it happens over here. If yes, type yes. Okay, if no, type no. It's okay. All right, because previously I think lately this period no one asked me this question anymore. But last year I think still yes. Last 2 years ago, 2022, yes, still got a lot of people also ask about, hey, can I muscle already or not? Average down. I think like previously, whenever those enter from this area here, okay, I'm not sure maybe enter somewhere here. They keep averaging down. Every time they drop, they keep averaging down. Okay, keep averaging down. Okay, so averaging down is useful. Okay, of course, provided the stock is good fundamental and it's not going type. For me, this is going type already because it's right on the news. So yeah, it's somehow dangerous. Okay, so let me see. Okay, Jenny and VV, right? So say yes. Okay, so again, Jenny and VV, not sure what is the price you entered. Okay, but if you are trading, I think it's okay. If you enter just recently or this 2 year, I think it's fine. But if you are holding like since the old day, right, the COVID days, right? Okay, I think this is a good time for you to look into it. Okay, of course, I not ask you to buy or sell because if you want to average down, I think this is the area for you to consider. Okay, for you to consider because few reasons I say we always look into volume. Okay, if you watched my video yesterday, volume is a good sign to tell you when to average down. Okay, I put it AV lah, average down lah. Oh wait, okay, lost a lot lah. Okay, so okay, if you lost a lot already, try to see how to recover. Okay, of course, my way is always if I got more than 8%, I be tahan already. I just chop. Okay, I just chop. Okay, so that's my way lah. That's my way. If I'm looking for some things that mid to long term one, right, I always set myself around 8 to 12%. But my best is 8%. That's why until now I still double enter P method yet because it's somehow above my 8%. Okay, so that's what I do. Okay, every time let's say things goes wrong below 8%, I just chop. Okay, so that I can recover my capital, then I look for opportunity again, right? So okay, now let's go back to here. Okay, if let's say you are those type that like to buy long term, you like to hold, you like to average down. Again, I'm not against average down because some people do make money using average down. Okay, but it's not for me lah. Okay, maybe my capital is pretty small because average down need a lot of capital, right? If let's say my capital is small, how to average down, right? So sometimes again, someone when you average down, you have to add more one. You know, if let's say you average down in the same amount, right? Sometimes it's a bit difficult to recover as well. Okay, so that's why average down somehow is not for me. Okay, maybe it's my capital limitation. But if let's say you are those that who got a lot of plenty of capital, every month you get extra income to average down one. Okay, I think you probably can use that. Okay, now first of all, average down, you only average when there's climatic volume. Okay, now especially your stock in downtrend. Downtrend is very easy to tell one. You open up your weekly chart, you see down bar, widespread candle, you know this is downtrend already. Okay, and of course, lots of most of the time you are trading below 20-40-day moving average. This is downtrend already. All right. What you do is that you wait for climatic volume. Usually, climatic volume again is a sign to tell you that there might be a changes in terms of the trend. Okay, but of course, you don't see climatic volume, you should jump in now. Sometimes climatic volume, it still can go down few percent one or 10-20% before it reverse. Okay, so what I do is that I always wait for this one. Okay, a successful test above 20-40. This is where that you can actually plan out for entry opportunity. So if let's say for those that who are holding glove, okay, since the old day, and you got some extra capital that you think that you can put it there for slightly longer term, I think they are doing accumulations right now. So far the sign, the setup, everything is good. Okay, in fact, if you ask me, I kind of like the setup in Hata, but I just don't like glove because when a sector is going too high already and it dump, right, somehow it needs sometimes to make a big movement. I might be wrong. Sometimes I'm wrong. Okay, but I love those that like Tenaga is one of the best, but it almost resistance already. I'm planning to take partial profit as well. So like this is the best. When it drop, high volume, we test, then it slowly goes up. Okay, best is that until now, not much people actually talk about Tenaga. So that's the best one. So normally I like buy already, nobody talk about it. Okay, like people keep talking about Cypark. I also feel not to say is you cannot make money, you can make money, but sometimes got like this kind of good news, right? There will be some quick profits, okay, going on. Like for example, what happened this morning. Glove and still I don't want to trade it off. Yeah, actually for me also. Still I try few rounds also, I'm not sure. Still glove, bank. Okay, this is the few that I usually don't have luck one, I'm not sure why. Okay, now let's continue. So there's a quick one for Hata. I think setup wise is not bad. But if, let's say if we test back to support, I think I don't mind to try, provided I got capital. But today I'm looking more into RANHILL. Okay, so let's say if we test back, because yesterday volume is not that high as well. I think that maybe they still got a chance to retest around this area. Okay, so let's say yes, probably we will look into that again. Okay, so for remembering of my time, probably I look into some of the stock that you have for me. If not, we go into some trades ideas. Okay, if let's say got anything that interesting today, we can continue to watch out. Okay, Powerwell, yesterday closed the gap lah. This one maybe we will test back to support lah. Wong. Okay, or what you do is that you wait for another day lah. If let's say it goes back to this area here, right? I think they will retest back to 2040s already, because again, same things are normally, if let's say over here, right, you got a false breakout, shooting star, especially come with high volumes, right? Okay, and they drop back here. Normally they'll do a shakeout, okay, before breaks. Okay, so again here might be due to there's profit taking. There's some sellers, they need to remove and they push again. Okay, so there's RANHILL, YTL power lah, YTL really power lah. Okay, this one I also wrong lah, because I thought that high volume a bit dangerous already, but they still push goes up. Okay, not sure who is asking. Not sure who is asking. Not sure you're looking for entry exit. Okay, but daily chart wise, there's no weakness. Okay, daily chart wise, there's no weakness. If you're looking for entry opportunity, of course, your risk to reward is not that ideal anymore. Maybe you want to wait for pullback, or you wait for the hourly chart retest back to 20 MA, like for example this area. Okay, at least to lower down your risk. Okay, so maybe sometimes they will pull back, hit the 20, then they'll continue goes up again. But so far, I don't see any weakness in the chart. Oh yeah, the other one is IOIPG. Okay, now IOIPG, okay, IOIPG, the setup a bit similar. Okay, again, I'm not, oh yeah, sorry, a quick disclaimer before I forgot. Okay, quick disclaimer, in this section here, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. Okay, if you intend to trade any stock that based on our live here today, make sure you got your own trading plan. Okay, so that's why I always have my trading plan in place. Anything goes wrong, I cut, it hits, I take profit. Okay, so make sure you do that as well. Okay, now IIPG, I haven't really talked about IIPG in my Telegram yet because I'm still watching. Okay, here got one climatic volume. Okay, similar happened to all the YTL, the two YTL. Okay, price didn't drop. I was waiting if this price can cross here with higher volume or not. Okay, and I'm not sure. I heard this one can hold. Okay, I heard this one can hold. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it will follow YTL and YTL power or not. Okay, heard only lah, heard only. So okay, okay, E&O. Okay, any other stocks that you want me to look into? Okay, if yes, you can comment below. If not, I go to my trade signals. Okay, E&O, yeah lah, still hold well. Volume still somehow lembek a bit so I think it will still like hit resistance, go back to support, hit resistance, go back to support. A bit similar Epicon and RANHILL both is boring, but in the same time, the setup is good. Okay, both is boring, but in the same time the setup is good. Okay, so for example, yesterday also goes out, but volume lembek, that's why it closed not too strong, and now still like that. Okay, still like that. So just going to be a little bit patient. So RANHILL still the same for those who follow some of my trades here. RANHILL, okay, nothing much. I just hope that this support here will hold. The other one is Success and Fiamma also yesterday started to do a bit of pullback as well. Okay, Success, closing towards resistance already. Okay, not bad. Okay, at least one is like that. Hopefully it will continue to hit. Okay, MSM, I'll look into that as well. Okay, let's look into my Fiamma. Fiamma yesterday closing not very good okay, but still okay. Luckily the volume is somehow half of the previous day. Okay, the Friday candle. Okay, so today remains low volume. Okay, I think it's going to here hit 20. Okay, so let's see for those who are looking for onshore opportunity. If let's say hit 20 with low volume, you can somehow watch it. Okay, again, not doing any buy call. So MSM, let's do the MSM. Pullback cantik. This one. MSM also damn scary. Going up non-stop one. But in the same time, no weakness. Okay, this one pullback cantik. Okay, we got somehow here. Okay, form a nice support. Okay, here got 4 narrow candle, but unfortunately volume is not that low. Okay, I think this one still can ride with the trend. Okay, because top here I don't see any weaknesses. So far so good. Okay, the trend, everything so far so good. Okay. Now, one of my problem also, and also my weakness, is that whenever the price goes up more than 100%, right, it's a bit difficult for me to enter. Okay, that's why I would never ever bought something like YTR Power MSM. Okay, somehow, sometimes feel like a bit not so comfortable, like CSGP and chain as well. Okay, because last month already someone told me that, hey, this one jaga but I still not sure why I cannot enter. Okay, again, this is my weakness. I think everyone got their own strength and weakness. Okay, so yeah, this is my the things that sometimes I don't know how to enter because the price too far already from this area here. Okay, CHGP continue goes up. Oh, this one also crazy. 80 cents to 2 ringgits really. Yeah, because last month I heard the target is 2 ringgit, but maybe they will change already. But let's see how it goes. Okay, okay, probably I will look into some of the potential pullback stocks. Okay, then if let's say got no questions for me, we will end our section here. So like I say, if you like what we do so far, Seafood EL do so far, appreciate, keep a like buttons for me, help me to share this out. Well, of course, I do see sometimes our members in the Telegram do ask me about support resistance. Yes, use the support resistance from the apps. Actually, all is from here, right? The one that I give you also from here. So if let's say you can, you just open up, search the stocks, every information is there. All right. So okay, yeah, P metal go up some more. Is it okay? But low volume lah. Okay, never mind. Okay, Tenaga move up. Like I say, Tenaga actually looking for partial profit already. Chem 1 is good, nah. I think Chem 1 setup is good, nah. Okay, just that, sometimes it's a bit illiquid. It's a bit similar like Tali work, if not mistaken, we traded before. Tali work, is it? Sorry, resin tag. Okay, resin tag. Okay, when it become quiet, it's very boring one. Or sometimes you can even exit, right? So P metal change to full, maybe lah, or maybe IOIPG lah. I'll look into IOIPG because okay, again, not doing any buy and sell call. There are two people keep telling me about IOIPG already. So yeah, for those that who want to ride on trend, you can actually watch out. Okay, like I said, the high volume area, you watch out any confirmation or not. Okay, you watch out, right? I'm not sure but this one also something very weird one. Okay, usually like I say, high volume will tend to change the trend. Okay, so here goes up, high volume, it changed to sideways. Okay, but bullish, bearish, we still don't know. Okay, you wait for like a confirmation bar. Okay, I think previously we talked about confirmation bar previously. Okay, SP Satya continue goes up higher. I don't think that's weakness, but like I said, I tell you my problems already. Every time when the price goes shoot up like this, right, 100%, I feel that I feel uneasy, sometimes to look into. But setup wise, I don't think there is a weakness. Okay, for SP Satya, for those that who like this kind of like a momentum kind of trading, yeah, you probably want to look into it. Okay, so VS Tech also. Okay, wow, looks like macam still boleh. This is a high volume bar today, cross above, kind of like KGB. Okay, KGB I think still got a lot of potential also. KGB. Okay, VS Tech, our land previously got going one time already. Okay, do a round of reaccumulation. So here maybe we'll have another reaccumulation. Today volume still low, so maybe it's fine. We look into others. MSC got one big shooting star. Okay, never mind. ENO, just now we looked into that already. Orion. Oh, this one break from a main accumulation. Going for some time already, now coming back. Oh, this one macam other story lagi. Okay, this one need to use weekly chart. All right, so weekly chart here. This is a nice reaccumulation with a two big shakeout, okay, sideways, break up high volume. Okay, here if let's say we test well with low volume, I think it's good. Okay, but this stock can be very boring. Okay, I mean good for those that who don't mind wanna buy whole for several months. Okay, so I think yeah, this one can look into it. Okay, so okay now fundamental not so good only. Petrosky F score 3 out of 9. Of course, now it's sideways, so it's moderate, okay, based on TA. Okay. So, all right. Any other stocks we can look into? SP Setia. Okay, we done already. Powers. Okay, let's look into Powers. I'm still holding that. Okay, volume still not much. Okay. IT Max. IT Max. Okay, I think A-Tech somehow better. Actually, I like A-Tech also. But capital limited, like what to do? I have to choose in between. Okay. Oh, this one sudah jalan. What's this stock? Superloin. Superloin also move up crazy. Okay. MM Holdings coming back. MM's holding coming back. Okay, volume slow. Okay, let me check my pullback stock. Anything on pullback stock or not before we close? Okay, let's see anything on my pullbacks or not. Mayu, very low volume, nothing much. MBSB. Okay, MBSB, reaccumulation will shake out. Okay, again, for those that who looking for long-term one, okay, you can actually look into that. Okay, MBSB. We got a nice reaccumulation shake out going up to resistance with increasing volume. Okay, so here weekly chart, also a nice hammer. Okay, nice hammer. I think this hammer also comes with some increasing volume. This is, I think, during the weak markets. So weak markets, hammer is the best indicators. Okay, if you notice, right, recently those go up one, right? Mostly they got a hammer holding very well on the 40 MA. The FATA not too good. Petrosky F also not so strong. Okay, Kamda, Power Root, MCOM and Y. Okay, MCOM and Y. Let's look into that. This one reversal. A bit similar like ECMO, Opstar. Okay, yeah. Some of the stock I didn't review still can check one. Like previously we talked about CowPoint, MTech. I want to check MTech today. Yeah, some of these still can monitor. Panda, right? MY. Okay, reversal. Hopefully today volume is higher. If let's say high volume, I think it's good. Can start to monitor. It kind of similar like ECMO for me. TechScam. TechScam. Wow, this one macam ada shakeout. This one shakeout can come back. Look into it because this one, okay, volume at the bottom very high, and somehow some places got gap. Okay, so like I say, high volume normally there is a potential of change of trend. Okay, and this is a gap with higher volume. If let's say they're able to push back with higher volume, okay, I think it will form a nice shakeout and challenge the resistance. Okay, so sometimes you don't need to really put in your watches or monitor. Like if let's say you got some platform that help you to set your alerts, you just put your alerts. Sometimes I put alerts 1 or 2 months only it triggered. Sometimes also I forgot. So what I do is that here is the area I set here. Okay, so once it push back already, it triggered me, then I will come and check into it again. So see whether the setup is still okay or not. Okay, LB Aluminium, PPB, Magni, VS Tech. Okay, I think VS Tech we done already. NGB, Taan. Okay, 2 more before it close. Okay, from our pullbacks over here. I got Taan and LB Aluminium. Okay. This one's still alright. But resistance a bit strong here. Here got some selling is going on. This zone. So like I said, normally you see resistance got double high volume, they tends to pull back slightly lower. Okay, but so far it's holding well, which means that there are still supports in this chart. Okay, last one, Taan. Okay, let's look into Taan. Oh, yesterday nice pullback. Yeah, I think the Taan triggered yesterday around 4 something. Okay, nice pullback. Okay, volume increasing. Today, let's say remain slow volume. I think okay. Hold well around 20 MA as well. This one also macam riding in the nice trend. Okay. Since over here 3 something, now it's 4 something already. Remind me of like Him Industry, M Siemens. Okay, so far so good. Okay, for Tan. Okay, so with this, once again, thank you for joining me in this 30-minute section. So like I said, if you like my sections, okay, for these daily updates, make sure you hit the like buttons for me. All right, help me to share this out and join me, okay, in my Telegram so that we can have more discussion on daily basis. All right, so thank you. See you on Thursday because tomorrow is public holiday.